Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am there with another video, and in this video I'll explain you about my stock manager format. This format is very popular, lots of people are using, but recently I give a new update in this format, and that is the sales section. Before, the sales section was not there. Lot of people asked me to add the sales section because they want to track their sale data also. So it is now added, and if you are not familiar with this format, so I'll explain you step by step how does this format works. This format has total 7 pages. First we have the stock manager page. This page is fully automatic. Only two section is there, that is opening and is closing. Only these two places you have to enter the data manually. Rest of the calculations will be fully automatic. First it has the serial number, item code and item master that we copy and paste from the item master. Later on I'll show. Then we have the stock in section. In a stock in section we have opening stock, we have receiving and total stock. Then we have the stock out section. In this section we have sell, transfer, discard, and then we have the total stock out. Then we have the balance stock or the available stock section. Then we have the available stock quantity, unit and cost. Then we have the closing stock that we have to enter manually. Then we have the consumption and variant. About these two sections I will explain you at the end of this video. So let's go to the item master. In item master section, the serial number you have to add manually. Item code will be 106. So it is not necessary that the way I am entering the item code you have to follow it. You can change as per your wish, or if you don't want item code, just leave it empty. But you have to enter the item name. I will add another item that will be green chili. Green chili is a local product, so I will keep it local. Unit will be kg, quantity will be 1, like 1 kg, the price is 50 rupees. For example, you purchase this green chili and now you want to sell it also. Then we enter the sale price, that will be approximately 60 rupees, and there will be the stock reminders will be 2. But if you want to use this format only just to track your inventory, you don't want to sell this product, so at this time you simply keep this place empty. Just enter the cost of this product. In stock reminder section I have entered 2 kg of green chili. So whenever we have less than 2 kg of green chili in our stock, it will give us a reminder in a stock manager. As you can see, we have to order oil and we have to order milk also. So the similar way it will show us that please order green chili because it is less in our stock. Whenever we enter new item in item master, simply copy the item code and the item name and paste it in item manager. As I have added the green chili, as you can see in available stock balance section, the unit is updated. Similar way I will copy and paste the item in purchase, sell, transfer, discard. So now I have added the new item in every sheet from stock manager, purchase, sell, transfer and discard. As I have added this item in every page, as you can see, it asks me to order. So I go to the purchase. In purchase section we have the serial number, item code and item name that we have just copy and paste from item master. Then we have date and month. Month that we have to change manually. Date start from 1 to 31st. After that we have a total section, the total of quantity, unit of that product and stock value. This section will update automatically. Suppose day 1 we have received 5 kg of green chili, and day 10 we have again received 5 kg of green chili. Our total receipt is 10 kg and the cost is 500 rupees. If I go to the sale, at similar way, second day we have sell 2 kg of green chili. Day 4 we have sell 2 kg of green chili. Go to the transfer. For example, we transfer our green chili to somewhere else. 1 kg on 13th and 1 kg on 8th. Discard section, that means if any product is spoiled, at this time you can add that product quantity in discard section. Go back to the stock manager. Now as you can see, the data updated in green chili. Total receiving 10, total stock 10, sale is 4, transfer 2, discard 0. Total stock out 6, available stock 4. Cost of available stock is 200 rupees. So now might be you thinking how the opening section will work. Every month we do a physical closing and we enter the data in closing section. On the basis of that, we can see the consumption as well as the variant. When you have the closing stock, simply copy it and paste it in opening stock for next month. After that, we delete all the data from purchase, sell, transfer and discard from 1 to 31st. Doing so, our closing stock will be opening stock for next month and the data and the format will be ready to use for next month again. So far, I have explained how we can enter the data in this format. Purchase, sell, transfer and discard. All the pages work similar way. This format has an invoice section also. You can make a beautiful invoice with this format. Enter your company name, contact number, email ID and address. Change this logo. The date is by default today. You can change it as per your wish. Enter the invoice number, GST number of your company. This is the place where you can add your company information if you want to sell this invoice to someone else. Enter at this place your customer data. In sell invoice, you can make it transfer invoice, purchase invoice or challan. If I scroll it down, so this is the place where we have to enter the data. Serial number, brand, unit and price is fully automatic. Only you have to select the item. Already I have added 2 items. Let me add another item, that is milk and green chili. Once I select the items from drop down list, the brand and unit is updated automatically. So enter 1 liter of milk, green chili 1 kg. As you can see, the price is updated automatically. So scroll it down. So this is the total section. Now we have the subtotal, total count of the item, total amount of the item. GST is for now 0. Instead of GST, you can add VAT also. GST amount, for example, if I enter here GST is 6%, the price is updated. If you want to add any discount in this bill, you can add that too. This is the print view of your invoice. It looks quite good. Now let's go to the stock manager because 2 sections is still left, that is consumption and variant. Consumption section work for hotel and restaurants. For example, I have transferred 1 kg of onion and 2 kg of green chili, for example this month in our kitchen. But when end of the month all the products are not finished, still we have 1.2 like 200 gram of green chili or onion and green chili like 1 kg is still in hand. That what is the quantity we have transferred to our kitchen and what we have left in our kitchen. On the basis of that, it will calculate our consumption quantity for this month and the value will be updated automatically. So that's how the consumption section will work. If we talk about the variant, for example, if I have a grocery shop, your system showing that onion, your stock have 16 kg, 8 kg of tomato, oil is 1 liter. But when you do a physical inventory, you found that you have only 15 kgs of onion, 7 kgs of tomato and oil that is 0, apple also 0, milk also 0. When you enter the physical closing stock of your product, it will calculate the variant automatically. Like system it's showing 16 kg has to be there, but when you did the physical closing you found only 15 kgs. That means 1 kg is missing. Similar way, tomato also 1 kg missing. And what product is that? Apple is 4 kg, 4.5 kg is missing. And this is the value of that missing product. At the top we have a section that is in yellow color. Here all the units or all the sections total calculation will show. So friends, this is the simplest and easiest format ever available online. If you want to download this format, the link will be in description box. Thank you very much for watching this video.